Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix no internet connection error on Netflix app. So for this, there is multiple solutions and I will try to show them to you. The first one, you should go to settings and after that go to cellular. And after that, scroll down a little bit until you find your apps. And here, click on Show All. And after that, look for Netflix. And here, you should choose the third option, WLAN and cellular data, because if you choose the second one, and if you choose the second one, so you can use Netflix only if you are using Wi-Fi. And if you choose off, so Netflix will not be working at all for you because it will not be connected to the internet. For the second option or the second solution, you go and open Netflix. And after that, go to My Netflix. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on App Settings and go to Cellular Data Usage. Here, it should be automatic, but if it's not automatic, you should put it like as automatic, because with automatic, Netflix can choose or it will be working if you are using Wi-Fi or also if you are using the mobile data. So those are the solutions that you can use, and those are the solutions that will make your app work again. And if the app is still not working, you can try another thing, which is like deleting the app and installing it again. And to delete the app, you have just to long press on it, click remove app, and after that delete the app and install it again. And with these three solutions, your Netflix should be working again and it will fix Netflix no internet connection error on your Netflix app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next